This is the second set. It's a minute reps that they're doing. This is 6 and 12s. Remember, a full set is doing the 6 and 12 like they're doing now, followed by one person doing the corkscrew, then back down to 6 and 12, then the other person doing the corkscrew, and that equals your one set. After the completion of that full set, you get 1 minute break, and then you're back into doing it again. So this is their second time going through. So you can see the abs are exhausted. Corkscrew. So with the corkscrew, you're just reaching straight up and then twisting the hips at the top.
Good. You got it, Cody. Twist. And down. Twist.
It may look like an easy motion, but after you've done these exercises several times, you're going to find that it's not easy at all. And then the more you do it, you'll find the movement is actually a small movement. It's not as great as they're making it. It'll be a smaller movement once you get more familiar with the muscle feel, and you'll be able to really feel that deep in the abs. See him reaching fatigue now.
Come on. Good, Cody. Keep going. Twist. There you go. Other side now.
Hear everybody encouraging each other to push through.
Twist again. 14. There you go. 15. Come on. One more. Good.
And now they're finishing the second half of the first set. So they're back to 6 and 12s again. And you'll see after doing those corkscrews, you can tell who went first, right? If you look at Mr. Cody now and look back at the beginning, you see he's not bringing his lower back up off the ground as much now because the abs are so fatigued that now it's a lot of his flexors doing that work. That's the top of the thighs, where the thighs connect into your hips and the front of your pelvis. Remember, that's 1 minute, and then they're going to the next person doing the corkscrew. And that'll be finishing off the second set. They'll get a minute break, and then they have the third set. And here goes corkscrew. Remember, press up and then twist at the top. There you go. Like you're kicking somebody under the chin. Good. Everyone is rather fatigued. See Miss Heather doing a little variation. She's doing a rollaway instead of the corkscrew. So the rollaway is you just keep your knees close to your chest and you just roll back and lift those hips up off the ground. So she's just taking out the corkscrew at the top. 3 seconds. And 1 minute break and you start round 3 or set 3.